Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Search Console, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you filter your Google Search Console traffic, data, and performance by device? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to filter your Google Search Console data by devices anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that mobile is really important, and maybe you want to filter out the data by mobile to see how you're performing with various devices. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Search Console. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Search Console, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and filter your performance data in Search Console by devices, here on the left side, you're going to click on Performance, and then you're going to click on Search Results. Okay, after you do that, you want to go ahead and choose the time period. For today, I'll choose 28 days. And then what you want to do next is go ahead and highlight all of these, so that way we get all of the data from Search Console. So there's actually two different ways you can do this. So as we're looking right here, there's 150 total impressions over this time period. But if we want to filter this out by device, we're going to scroll down and then click here on devices. Okay, as you can see, it's split up between mobile, desktop, and tablet. So mobile taking the biggest share at 102 impressions. Another way you can do that is up here at the top, you can go ahead and click on Add Filter and then click on Device. And now we can go ahead and filter out. So maybe we only want to see the performance based on mobile. So I'll click on Mobile and then Apply. And now you see it went from 150 down to 102. So all of this data here we're looking at is just for a mobile device for this website over the past 28 days. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to filter your Google Search Console traffic data by devices, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.